Yeah, but I wouldn't be able to afford alcohol if I had 5 children to raise and a man that's not able to make money. So it means 6 children. I wouldn't be able to also go out and get drunk. So who's that Monday? Monday is the husband of the Gogo. Oh, I didn't see his picture. We don't give a fuck.
No, but he's bisexual.
He's bisexual. The husband. So Jenny, the husband is bisexual.
You, and he also wants to be fucked.
That's a pure. And Tapiwa's brother also. The one.
Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Salo. Please don't forget to subscribe, comment, like and also share. There's a video. You guys, Gogo SKHOTHENI and Maweni's feud has been going on for a couple of months now, and it seems like it might take a while for the two healers to make peace with each other. Gogo SKHOTHENI dragged Maweni 2 days ago to filth and has promised to leak all their conversations, their old previous conversation, because SKHOTHENI claimed that whenever Maweni is drunk, she goes on a live to insult her with her new friends Umisakaula and Morolong, you guys. The threesome friends, Maweni, Misakaula, and Morolong, then recently went on to an Insta live where they again dragged SKHOTHENI after she had addressed them in a full Insta live. Gogo Maweni revealed that Gogo SKHOTHENI's husband Mondli is bisexual, allegedly, you guys, and that he is into men. The trio laughed and continued dragging SKHOTHENI to fall, you guys. Now please do engage with me down in the comment section below. Also subscribe if you have not yet done so. You guys, unfortunately I cannot upload the rest of the Insta live as I unfortunately will be stricken down, you guys. Thank you so much for watching this video. I shall definitely see you on my next upload. Bye.